Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with WhatsApp verification code not receiving. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head toward Google Play Store to make sure the WhatsApp application present in your mobile device is up to date. Open Google Play Store application and search for WhatsApp application. Then after, if you see the option of update, click on it and do update the application. Once WhatsApp has been updated, head toward the message as sometimes you might not be able to receive the notification. After that, you can open the phone application as sometimes WhatsApp also calls you to give your verification code. Even after that, if you are not able to find your verification code, simply head towards app info of WhatsApp. Tap and hold on the app icon and click on the eye icon at the top. Go to the permission and make sure the SMS and phone both the permission are allowed for WhatsApp. Once you have checked for this permission, you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with verification code in WhatsApp. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.